With the rise of social gambling, online casinos and betting sites, gambling-related problems have skyrocketed. Many people struggle with gambling-related difficulties, and it's not always because of some deep-rooted internal conflict, but often it's because they don't fully understand exactly what it is they are doing whenever they sit down to play. We are overrun with enticing offers from online and land-based casinos, often overshadowing responsible gambling messages, leaving players disillusioned as they get lost in the melee. While most operators do provide some guidance, their priority must always be on profit, allowing many players to become vulnerable due to lack of understanding about what game to play, the game odds, and true game mechanics. The truth of the matter being that most players don't really know what they're doing at the tables, even when they think they do. Imagine now if you could turn the tables and lift the lid on that machine, strip it down and examine each piece in great detail. How much better would your gambling knowledge be? Our groundbreaking player training tutorials empower you to do exactly that, because here you'll learn the true meaning of what it means to play responsibly. So even if you do get the urge to go off script, at least you can do so with the knowledge of knowing the risks involved. Not only will you learn to play games with confidence, but also recognize psychological deceptions designed to keep you playing. This isn't about winning, but about playing smart and responsibly. Our mission is to equip you and every gambler, especially if you're a beginner, with the right tools and expertise to play responsibly, both online and in live casinos, keeping you safer. Together and with your support, we will be adding more and more games and original material reaching an international audience. Join us in preventing gambling harm and start your journey towards informed and controlled gambling. Your path to empowerment begins now.